Choosing the right lighting zone for your overland travel lighting kit is crucial. By considering factors like beam patterns and light placement, we introduce a personalized lighting solution that enhances your off-road adventures. Let's delve into the specific functions of each lighting zone to gain a better understanding of how they can elevate your overland travel experience. By customizing your lighting setup according to these zones, you can optimize your visibility and enhance your adventures on the road. The driving combo, which forms the core zone of your lighting package, plays a pivotal role in shaping your off-road illumination setup. With a driving beam pattern, these lights act as a powerful supplement to your high-beam headlights, extending their reach far down the road. Emitting a rectangular-shaped beam, they not only provide a longer throw, but also a wider coverage compared to your headlights. This key zone sets the foundation for your lighting configuration, influencing the tuning of other zones, making it especially crucial for high-performance off-road lighting setups. Compact yet mighty, these lights reveal hidden hazards and obstacles, empowering you to navigate with confidence. Their versatile design seamlessly fits a range of vehicles, ensuring reliable illumination in the tightest spaces.
At Novsight, we are dedicated to optimizing the use of light by applying it to the right situations and lighting zones, ensuring that you find the perfect lighting solution for every need. To learn more about the light zones, please visit our homepage or check out our YouTube channel for additional information.